Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Cursor AI. I am Luciano from Wiprom, and today I'm gonna show you Cursor and how to use its main feature to improve your coding experience. Command K allows us to generate new code or edit existing code in the editor window. So, if I hit Command K, I can see the model shows up, and I can give Cursor a on-the-fly instruction. For example, add a new column with the archive title. Okay, nice. Now let's see this. There is an error here. Command K doesn't know that he needs to update the task status type. Probably if I go to the composer and I say add a new column with the archive title, let's see the difference. He already knows that there is the type is not defined, so look the difference. It modified the task, add the new column, super cool. So Command K is great. I think it's better for on-the-fly instruction. For I don't know, for example, if I create a new component and I Command K, create a reusable bottom component, make it, I don't know, green. It generates all the code for the component. I think these are the base case for the Command K use. Can accept, cool. Also, it's integrated in the terminal. I can Command K here and I don't know, count the number of line of all tsx files. Nice. I can run it and okay, I have the output. So super cool, Command K.